In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect and add GoDaddy domain to Netlify website. We'll connect a domain you own at GoDaddy to a site already deployed on Netlify, using Netlify's DNS so everything stays secure and easy to manage. Start by logging into Netlify and opening the site you want to use. From the project overview, head to domain management. Choose Add a Domain, then select the option to add a domain you already own. Type your GoDaddy domain exactly as it's registered, without extra spaces or prefixes, and click Verify. When the domain appears, continue by selecting Set up Netlify DNS. Follow the prompts until Netlify shows you 4 name server addresses. Keep this page open, you'll need those values in a moment. Now switch over to GoDaddy. Sign in, open your profile menu, and go to My Products. In the domain section, open Manage All, then find the domain you're connecting and go to its DNS settings. Under Name Servers, click Change. Choose the option to use your own name servers, then paste the 4 name servers provided by Netlify, 1 per field. Double check for typos. Accuracy here is critical. Save your changes and confirm any prompts GoDaddy shows. It may warn you that existing DNS records will be replaced. This is expected when moving to Netlify DNS. Once saved, DNS propagation begins. This can take up to 48 hours globally, though many updates complete much faster. During this period, avoid making additional DNS changes so the switch can complete cleanly. Back on Netlify, the domain status may show as pending until the name server changes fully propagate. As soon as the connection is confirmed, Netlify will automatically issue an SSL TLS certificate for your domain, so your site loads securely over HTTPS without extra setup. After the domain connects, return to Domain Management on Netlify and confirm that both your root domain, also called the apex like example.com, and the www version are listed and managed. Netlify typically adds the www alias for you and handles redirects between them. If either one is missing, add it here so visitors can reach your site whether they type the www or not. That's it. You verified your domain in Netlify, pointed your GoDaddy name servers to Netlify, waited for propagation, and let Netlify handle the certificate. Give DNS a little time, then visit your domain to confirm everything is live and secure. Thanks for watching and enjoy your newly connected Netlify site.